The smelly stuff in garlic, called sulfur compounds, can hang around in your body for 24 hours or even a bit longer. That means it can make your breath, sweat, and pee all have a garlic like smell for quite a while. But no worries. If you have a big job interview or a hot date coming up, here are quick tips to freshen up and get rid of the garlic smell faster. Fresh herbs like mint, parsley, or spinach not only add flavor, but also can effectively mask and remove odor-causing compounds from garlic breath. Additionally, using a mouthwash containing chlorine dioxide right after a garlicky meal is another effective method to combat garlic breath. For a natural remedy, gargle with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water after a garlicky meal. This can effectively minimize and remove both garlic and onion breath fast. Alternatively, why not wear it proudly? Embracing garlic breath as a sign of a delicious meal enjoyed. It's not so terrible, is it?